Finding the courage to change. Love is not a point system. Sometimes, often, frequently, our family of origin is an example of how not to be. But the behavior that I grew up with is all I know. I thought it was normal to be demanding, discontented, manipulative, and resentful. Now I need to find a second family, a group of people who I can observe, study, and copy. I'm ready to discover how to live in a more positive way. My new family is a group that can model unconditional love. Love is not a point system. I don't have to earn it. I don't have to jump through a flaming hoop to prove that I deserve love, affection, or appreciation. I don't have to be perfect. I don't have to sacrifice myself in order to be deserving. I don't have to change myself in order to make someone else happy. I am free to make new choices and learn new behaviors. With the help of my new family, I can discover how to heal and transform those old destructive patterns. I will create new patterns that are uplifting, inspiring, and healing. My tribe will help me remember to focus on doing my own work. I will focus on putting on my own oxygen mask. When I do my own work, all is well. I can love who I am right now. I am worthy. I am loving. And I am lovable. My journey so far has offered a lot of contrast. I can love the contrast because that has created an interesting life. I don't have to earn my own love by being perfect. I can give love to myself unconditionally because love is not a point system.